Hello, my friends. It is time for us to release our first of the month bundle. And let me just tell you, bundles mean you save even more. Now, these items are on flash sale, but if you get the whole bundle, you save even more. So it's our everyday low price, flash sale price, bundle price, club discount. It's like I'm literally going to pay you to take these, right? It's almost that. Are you ready? Get set. We're going to show them really quick, then go to the regular video and go watch. This is the More Hot Air Balloons. You're going to get words. You're going to get these the dies that match the balloons. Look at that. You're going to get these awesome word dies, and I can't wait for you to see what they really look like. There's 3 of them. They're amazing. You're going to fall madly in love. And last but not least, the coolest ever hot air balloon. Look at all those extra hearts you get in there. So go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. Get that bundle ASAP. Club members only. You're going to fall in love. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.